Today we're going to be repairing a 2016 E-Class Mercedes-Benz right side headlight. There you go. So there's the part number for the light, and zoom out here and you can see that on this light all three of the mounting tabs are broken. So I have picked up here the factory Mercedes-Benz repair kit and show you how to install this. So here the kit comes with a new mount for each one as well as the screws to install it. So these are just normal Star T20 Torx screws. And to install this, it's actually really simple. I have gone ahead and trimmed up the excess plastic on each of these, but they will just mount right on like so, and drop the screw in, screw it in, and just like so. As soon as it goes in, put 3 screws in and we're done. So, back this out. Okay. And just like that. You can now see that each of the tabs have been repaired, and you can see this here. Show you it's strong enough to hold up the entire headlight. So thanks for watching.